Vagdevi College of Engineering is a private institute established in 1998 located in Warangal, Telangana. It has received an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. In this review, we will take a closer look at the BTech program offered at VCE, beginning with its placements rated 3.8 stars. VCE's 2024 placement drive saw top recruiters like FactSet, Hyundai, Willy Edge, Coditas, and TCS. Roles offered include positions in telecommunication, embedded networking, software development, data analysis, machine learning, and web development. As per NIRF 2024 report, 647 UG 4-year students graduated in the year 2022-23. Of these, 390 or 60% were placed and 79 or 12% opted for higher studies. The highest package for 2024 exceeded 20 lakh per annum, while the median package stood at 3.65 lakh per annum. The median salary remained consistent since the past 3 years. When compared to other institutions, Vagdevi College of Engineering is on par with Vignan Bharati Institute of Technology regarding median salary. Students report that about 60% of them secure internships, which are available based on skills for final and pre-final year students. Now let's dive into the BTech program, which holds a rating of 4.1 stars. VCE offers 7 BTech specializations including civil, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, mechanical and CSE. Additionally, it provides 2 subspecializations in CSE AIML and CSE data science. The intake is 1,140 and eligibility requires 10+2. Admission is based on merit in Telangana State Engineering, Agriculture and Medical Common Entrance Exam. The 2023 TSEAM CET cutoff shows the competition has eased for programs like electrical and electronics and CSE AIML, while it remains more challenging for electronics and communication. The total program fees for 4-year program is 4.2 lakh rupees. At about 4.2 lakhs, the program cost aligns with an expected salary of 3.65 lakhs, resulting in a decent ROI of 87%, and students have rated the value for money at 4 stars. Next, let's focus on the 4.2 star rated infrastructure. VCE spans over 70 acres and offers spacious lecture halls, conference rooms, a large auditorium, seminar rooms, and ICT-equipped classrooms. The central library includes over 62,000 books, 254 print journals, and 3,227 e-journals, 3,902 e-books, and 6,875 NPTEL video lectures. The institution also provides a central fabrication facility, media laboratories, and a research database for specialized fields like CSE, mechanical, electronics, and civil. VCE offers both on and off-campus hostel facilities for girls with over 200 rooms and nutritious meals. The campus also includes sports facilities such as a 400-meter track, cricket fields, volleyball courts, and more. Turning our attention to faculty and course with a rating of 3.6 stars. VCE's teaching staff is highly qualified, with many holding PhDs and MTech degrees for prestigious institutions like IIT, NIT, and IIIT. Students appreciate the faculty's friendly approach with clear guidance and industry visits to help with understanding. Regarding campus life rated 4.2 stars, VCE has student clubs under Vagdevi Saviskara, including 2 major events, Tech Quiz and Vagdevi Vasantotsavam. The IEEE VCE student branches organizes workshops, hackathons, and technical events, while the Computer Society of India hosts technical programs and seminars. Other clubs like Code Thinkers and Data Quest also offer technical workshops and events. Lastly, Vagdevi College of Engineering, Warangal, Telangana is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 rankings. For more details on VCE and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.